Good evening, students. We will start in 2 minutes more. Let's wait for 2 3 minutes because now very few students have joined till now. Another 2 3 minutes will wait. By 6:20 now we can start. So if you have any doubt, anything you want to discuss, then we can discuss in 2 3 minutes. Yes, no? By 6:20 we will start the session. See, last week test was good. No? Good means questions were very straightforward and timing was also good. 15 question in 1.54 time. But issue is I'm not able to this now see the solution, or we can say answer sheet in topper. So that is the problem. I will discuss with Manoj sir, because that's why my delay is happening. The last week this now scoring, or we can say publishing of results. For this week, my MCQ question will be there from this chapter. That is chapter number 3, linear equations. Most probably 10 questions 1 hour or 15 questions 1.54. Fine, let's start. See, in our previous classes, now we have seen pair of linear equation theory. So now we will see exercise by exercise, means as per the sequence. Before this, now we have seen many, you can say, few methods of solving pair of linear equations in 2 variables. First one was elimination method, then substitution, then graphical method, and fourth one was, you can say, tough one, but fourth one was cross multiplication method. Now we'll see one by one, exercise by exercise. So today we'll try to complete or try to understand first exercise. See, first exercise starts with one question. See, this is the question, you can see. Here I've written also. See, this is the one market, we can say market, or one we can see now fair, in which now many games are there. So question is, see, Akila went to a fair in her village. She wanted to enjoy rides on a giant wheel. Okay, giant wheel are there in the fair, and then play hoopla. Okay, hoopla is a game in which you throw a ring on the items kept in a stall, and if the ring covers any object then completely, then you get it. That is one type of game. Now, main thing starts. Number of, see carefully, the number of times she played hoopla, that particular game, is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. So in this section, in the first exercise, we will see we have this word problem type questions. So we have to understand how we form the equation, So here is the main first equation, you can say the number of times she played hoopla. Try to read 2 3 times. the number of times she played Hoopla, suppose 2 times, is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. Suppose in giant wheels she had 4 rides, so Hoopla 2, simple logic. You know, the number of times she played Hoopla game is half the number of rides she had on the giant wheel. Suppose on giant wheel she had 4, so Hoopla 2. So giant wheel 6, so Hoopla 3, simple logic. So suppose giant wheel, similarly, always try to take some values. Similarly, if giant wheel x, then Hoopla x by 2, half. Hoopla is half. See, giant wheel is 4, then Hoopla again 2. Giant wheel 6, then Hoopla 2. So if Hoopla is y and this is x, so y will be equal to x by 2. Understood? Giant wheel numbers are not given. How many times she had this ride on giant wheel? Let us take 4. So plug in 2, half. 6, then 3. Similarly, if you take giant wheel as x, because you don't know exact number of times she had the ride on giant wheel. If you take x, then this will be x by 2. And Hoopla game, we have taken y variable. Let's see play y times. So y equal to x by 2. That is one relation. Now comes second case. Second case, if each ride cost rupees 3, means each ride means obviously giant wheel ride. Each ride cost 3 and game of Hoopla cost rupees 4. Okay, rate are given. How would you find out the number of rides she had? Okay, and how many times she played Hoopla, provided she spent rupees 20. Okay. See. So many things are there in the statements. We'll see one by one. So let me write first chapter name, pair of linear equations in two variables. So always now every time you have to take two variables, means x and y. That is one thing. Pair means 2 and two variables means x and y. So, and for this now we have proper question is, we have this question here, right? Example 1. Let us take the example of given in section 3.1, that was previous was section 3.1. Akhila goes to a fair with rupees 20. She has 20 rupees and want to have rides on the giant wheel, okay, and play Hoopla game. Represent this situation algebraically. By algebraically means in equation just we have to write, and graphically means geometrically. So algebraically means algebra equation. Algebraically we have to write in equation, and graphically means geometrically means we can draw the graph. Now back to the question. So how we can solve? So first one we have completed. So number of times, let the number of times she had the ride on giant will be x. So for Hoopla, suppose we have taken y, so it will be x by 2 because half. 4, then 2, 6, then 3. So in answer now, see whatever values we want to find, that only we can take x and y. So giant wheel we can take x and Hoopla y. So let the number of times Akhila had ride on, because we don't know how many times she had ride on giant wheel. Let me write G in capital. Giant wheel bx and number of times she played Hoopla game, HOOPL Hoopla game by. That much thing, because now every time now main important thing in word problem is you have to observe, or you can say visualize this game or any question. You have to say this game is happening in front of you. So or you are taking part in this game, applies you only. So number of times she had ride on the giant wheel be x. So this Hoopla game we can take y, and in the question it is given the number of times she had this plug-in is half of the time of the giant wheel. So giant wheel is suppose 4, to plug in 2. Giant wheel 6, to plug in we can have 6, then we plug in 3 according to question. So we write according to question, y is for plug in will be equal to half of this now giant wheel. Giant wheel half always now, always forward from one more hint, always take from this now, right to left, always go in this direction, always go from end to beginning. End to beginning means giant wheel will take 4, then hoopla will take 2. Giant wheel 6 times, then 3 times. So giant wheel, if you take x, hoopla game will be x by 2. And hoopla game we have taken variable as y. So y will be equal to x by 2 because we have to take 2 variables. Correct. Y equal to x by 2. This is one equation. Now second equation we want to find, because now we have two unknowns. We have two unknowns x and y. Two unknowns x and y. So we need two equations. We need two algebraic equations. Algebraic equations are equation having x and y. So it has x and y. Correct. So one more equation we want to solve to get the values of x and y. X was the number of times she had ride on giant wheel. Y was the number of times she played hoopla game. Now for one more equation we'll get from here. If each ride means each ride cost ₹3. Ride means giant will ride and hoopla game 4. How would you find out the number of rides? Number of rides means number of rides on giant wheel and how many times she played hoopla game, provided she spent ₹20. Okay, so 20 was her, we can say, budget, 20 rupees. So that will be required, will be used in this one, making the equation. So number of times she had ride on the giant wheel is x, we know, and price is 3. Suppose the number of times she had ride on giant wheel is 4 and price is 3. So 4 3 are 12. So suppose number of times she had ride on this the giant wheel 6. So cost will be 6 into 3. That is 18. Simple math. So number of times she had ride was, we have taken x because we don't know exact number of times. X into 3. One time ride cost ₹3. Correct. Plus this is the one value. Now what is the price she had to pay for playing hoopla game? So suppose number of times she played hoopla game, suppose 2. So rate is ₹4 per game. So 2 into 4, that is 8. Suppose now times 3, then 3 into 4, ₹12. So number of times hoopla game she plays is y, and one time playing cost ₹4. So y into 4, because we don't know exact number of times she played, equal to total ₹20. For playing for riding this giant wheel, one time riding ₹3, so x time riding 3x. One time playing hoopla game ₹4. Y time playing 4y, because we don't know exactly how many times this now she is having ride on giant wheel and hoopla game. Second, right now we can solve this equation, because by this these are expression, these are algebraic expression. So we have expression algebraically. We can say we have expression algebraically. Now we can see. Now we can solve by using any one of the method, because methods are not given, so we can use any one. So from 1 we can put y equal to x by 2. So we write from equation 1 and equation 2, we get easily we can solve. Try to solve by yourself and let me know the answers. Everyone will try. What problems are very important for this exercise and also for quadratic equation chapter. So try to understand each question carefully. These are the, you can see, basics, and will be helpful in our upcoming questions and exercises. First, we have to put y value as x by 2 in equation 2. We'll get x value, and then again we can have y value from equation 1. Anyone got the answer? Answer means values of x and y. What are x and y values? No one could solve. Tushar, Tanvi, Steve, Katusha. Very easy to solve to get the values. Why no one get the answer? See, y equal to x by 2. Just you have to put in the second equation. We'll get the value of x. Simply see from second 1 and 2 means from 1 we'll put y value in second. Basically, we'll convert this equation having two variables x and y in one variable. So this is 3x, x into the 3x, and 4y. For y value will put x by 2. Y value will put x by 2 equal to 20. Y value x by 2 equal to 20. So 2 2 are 4. So we can say 3x plus 2x equal to 20, and 3x plus 2x 5x equal to 20. So basically x will be equal to 10. X will be equal to 10. Got it? And then we can find y when we put this x value in equation 1. Hence, y will be equal to x by 2, sorry, 4. 20 by 5 will be 4. Correct? So y will be equal to x by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So this implies y become like 2. So number of times she had the ride on giant wheel will be x, that is equal to 4, and number of times she had played the Supra game, that is 4. We can check by putting the value of x and y in any one of the equation. So we can check from here that 3 into y 4. So 3 into 4 12 plus 4 into 2 8. 12 plus 8 20. Correct? And y is 2 equal to 4 by 2. Correct? Both are having the right answer. Both the values are correct. So, finally we got number of times she had ride on giant wheel is 4, and number of times she played plug-in is 2. Please note the solution. So we can say number of times she played this now. She played Hoopla game is two times. The number of rides she had on giant wheel is 4 times. Giant wheel ride is actually 4. Number of times she played Hoopla game is 2. This began. So this was algebraic solution. Algebraic solution is we write algebraic equation based on this statement and we solve. Normally solving, we have used this substitution method here for getting the values of x and y. Noted, no? First method. This was, we can say, first method, that is algebraic solution. So here we can write algebraic solution. Algebraic solution. Now, 1 second. Now we'll see graphical method. Algebraic solution we have seen. Now we'll see graphical method of getting the values of x and y. Okay. So how we can obtain this graphical solution? See, normally we can draw the graph, no option. Graphical solution or geometrical solution is we need to draw the graph. So answer 1 again, and this is we can say graphical solution or by graphical method or by geometry. So in graphical method we draw the graph that will be straight line because we have linear equation. So we'll have straight line only. Here we had algebraic solution. First one, algebraic solution. Now see graphical solution. So first equation was again y was number of times she played Hoopla game is equal to half of the number of times she had the ride on the giant wheel. So number of times she had the ride on the giant wheel is x. So y will be x by 2, half of that value, half of that value. Okay, right. This is one equation. Second one is this now 3 rupees is the rate of one time ride on the giant wheel, and number of times she had ride is 3x plus 4 is the rupees, 4 is the price, 4 is the rate of one time this now playing of Hoopla game. So this is 4 into y. Total rupees she had 20. So in this only she can have this enjoy both the ride and this playing Hoopla game. So this is second equation. Now both the equations we will draw the graph. So graph will be straight line because degree is 1, so we'll get a straight line only. Okay, so for first one we can draw table. We need two values, two points only. 2 points means 2 values. So here we can take x, here y. X, suppose let us take 2 by 2, we'll put 2 here. 2 by 2 will be 1. So let's take 4 by 2, 2. Let this point be, this be here, this will be. So this was the table, or we can say 2 points only we need. For a straight line we need only 2 points. So 2 points we found, that is sufficient. Now for second equation, for second equation we get second line, we can say second line. So x and y, best thing is first put x value 0. So here we'll put x value 0. So this term will be 0 and 4y equal to 20. 4y equal to 20. So y will be 20 by 4. Y will be, this will be 0. So y will be 20 by 4. That is 5. 20 by 4 will be 5. And one more value we want. One more point we want. Value means one more point. So take x value. So value we will take in such a way that equations, this points are we are get very simplified value. Let us take value of x4. Let us take value of x4. So this will be 4 3 are 12. 4 3 are 12. X we have taken 4. So this is 4 3 are 12. 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 will be 8, 8 by 4, 2. Everyone understood this one? So if you take x value 4, 4 3 are 12, 20 minus 12 will be 8, and 8 by 4 will be 2. We will take such value now that, so that we have proper points, not in fraction. C, D we can take. So from this we will get one line AB, one line on which A and B points will be there, and from the second equation we get one line on which C and D points will be plotted. Now we'll draw the graph. You can see x axis, y axis 0, x positive. Please try to write all the things which I am writing. Y value positive here. We will take equal intervals, 1, equal gap 2, 3, 4, 5, equal gap 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll plot one point. First one is 2, 1. Always take this now. First x, then y. 2, 1, x2, y1. This is the one point. 2, 1 equal. Now second point, that is b 4, 2. 2, 1, 4, 2. This will be the point. 4, 2. Okay, 4, 2. Little bit down. 4, 2. Almost here. Now we got these 2 points. We'll join these 2 points and extend in both direction. Say it will pass through 0 also, origin also, because if you put x value 0, so y will be 0. If you put x value 0, 0 by 2 will be 0. It will pass through 0 also. Like this rough diagram, you can join with the help of scale. This is the point A, this was point B, and this line was y equal to x by 2. This is y equal to x by 2, and we can consider this as a line 1. Y equal to x by 2, line 1. Y equal to x by 2, line 1. You can also plot A and B value. A was 2, 1, B was 4, 2. That much is the required, we can say, values. Positive values we have just plotted because we have the points, positive points only. So A is 2, 1, B is 4, 2. We join A, B, and then we can extend in both direction. It will pass through 0 because when we take x value 0, y will also be 0. Y will also be 0. Understood, everyone? Now we will plot second graph. Second, we can say graph. Second one, say, sorry. So second graph will plot 0, 5. X first 0, then y 5. So 0, 5 will be somewhat here. Above this 4, here comes the y-axis, and here it will somewhere here 5 will be there. So 0, 5 will be situated somewhat here. X0, y5, 0, 5. Now second value is, this is point C, 0, 5. Second is x first, then y, 4, 2. X4, y2. See, this point is common point. We can say this is also, see, this same 4, 2. Here also 4, 2. So no problem. We'll write D 4, 2, and we can say this will be the intersection of both the lines, and that will be the solution basically, because we know the this concept that the lines will intersect at one point, so that will be, we can say, a solution point. Okay, so this will pass through somewhat here. Was it, if this is the point where x is 0, if you take x 0, So y is 5, and if you take y0, x will be 20/3. If you take y0, so x will be 20/3. That is basically 6.33. 6.33. So it will pass through. After 6, it will pass just like this is suppose 6. It will pass through somewhat here. We can use a scale to this one draw line. We'll join these two lines first, and then we can extend in both the directions. Correct, almost correct. So this is line L2, second line, and this line we got from the equation. From the equation, we write above this line 3x plus 4y equal to 20. 3x plus 4y equal to 20. C point also will plotting means write the value x is 0, y is 5. So we can say the solution point will be the intersection point. Solution point will be the intersection point. Hence it has the linear equations will have unique solution because they are meeting or intersecting at one point. Hence x will be equal to 4 solution value and y is 2. So number of times she ride on giant wheel will be 4 times, and number of times she played hoopla game will be 2 times. Correct. So this was the our solution. This is for number of times she played hoopla game. Understood everyone? In case of any doubt, please ask. This was like in a proper graphical representation and then solving also. To intersection, there both lines are intersecting at one point. So we can say one solution or unique solution. And solution will be that particular point where they are intersecting. So this is the solution point B4, 2. Or from here also we can see from table these are common values. So common values are the solution values. So actually 4, y will be 2. X was number of times she had Akila, name of that girl. She had ride on giant wheel, that is 4 times. And number of times she played Hoopla game, 2 times. Please note please draw the graph, note the solution. Then we'll see second question. Any question, any doubt, please ask. Completed. Complete the solution, then we'll see next question. Noted the solution. Shall we see next question? So intersection point will give the solution, we can say. for values of x and y. So x will be 4 here and y will be 2. X was number of times she had ride on giant wheel, and y was number of times she played Hoopla game. So understood. And we can verify the answer from previous algebraic solution also. Answer is correct, 4 and 2, correct. So both the methods is required, and any method can be asked in examinations. This is one question. Now let's see second question. Second question, again, what second example we can say, again it's a word problem, and I will explain to all of you, then you can try to write algebraic expression. See, Romalia went to a stationery, okay. Romalia went to a stationery shop and purchased 2 pencils, okay, 3 erasers, 2 pencils and 3 erasers for ₹9. It is her friend Sonali saw the new variety of pencils and erasers, okay, with Romalia, okay, and she also bought 4 pencils, 6 erasers of the same kind, same type, for ₹18. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically, okay. This both the way we have to represent. Say, representing means just we have to write the equation. Say representing means just we have to write the equations like this and this. This is the way of representing the equations algebraically, representing the equation algebraically. Y equal to x by 2 or 3x plus 4y equal to 20 for previous question, for example 1. And graphically we can draw the graph, but here now we can try to solve also. So from my side you can add 1 point and also solve it, so try to first this one get the algebraic equation, then try to solve. Also graphically also you can try same method like previous case. So we can write and also solve it. I want answer from everyone. First is to get the algebraic equation, then solve it, and then you can solve by graphically, means you can draw the graph also. Try this question. See, now see now the question, though unknown values, now we can take